দ্বাদশ শ্রেণীর ইংরেজি বিষয়ের দ্য আইস হ্যাবিট নামক প্রোজ থেকে কয়েকটি মোস্ট ইম্পর্ট্যান্ট এসএকিউ ও তাদের উত্তর নিয়ে আজকের এই ভিডিওতে আলোচনা করব। ফার্স্ট, অ্যাট হুইচ স্টেশন ডিড দ্য গার্ল গেট ইনটু দ্য ট্রেন? কারেক্ট অ্যান্সার, দ্য গার্ল গট ইনটু দ্য ট্রেন ফ্রম রোহানা। নেক্সট, হু কেম টু সি দ্য গার্ল অফ? কারেক্ট অ্যান্সার, দ্য কাপুল হু কেম টু সি দ্য গার্ল অফ ওয়ার প্রবাবলি হার প্যারেন্টস। হাউ ডিড দ্য ন্যারেটর ফিল দ্যাট the couple were his parents? Correct answer, the narrator felt so because they were very anxious about her comforts. What did the woman instruct the girl? Correct answer, the woman instructed the girl where to keep her things, when not to lean out, and how to avoid speaking to strangers. What were the eyes of the narrator in the Ice Habit sensitive to? Correct answer, the eyes of the narrator in the Ice Habit were sensitive only to light and darkness. Why was the narrator unable to tell anything about the look of the girl? Correct answer, the narrator was unable to tell anything about the girl because he was completely blind. How did the blind narrator know that the girl wore slippers? Correct answer, the blind narrator knew that the girl wore slippers because they slapped against her heels. What did the narrator like about the girl when he met her? Correct answer, the narrator liked the sound of her voice and the sound of her slippers when he met the girl. Next, whose voice startled the girl? Correct answer, the voice of the narrator startled the girl. Why was the girl startled by the voice of the narrator? Correct answer, the girl was startled by the voice of the narrator because she did not feel the narrator sitting in a dark corner. Why did the narrator think that his voice must have startled the girl? Correct answer, the narrator thought that his voice must have startled the girl because she gave a little exclamation before answering his question. What remark did the narrator make about people with good eyesight? Correct answer, the narrator observes that people with good eyesight often fail to see what is the right in front of them as they have too much to take in. What do the people who cannot see or see very little take in? Correct answer, the people who cannot see or see very little have to take in only the essential by their remaining sense. What was the narrator preventing from the girl to be discovered? The narrator was preventing his blindness from the girl to be discovered. Where was the girl getting off? Correct answer, the girl was getting off at Saharanpur. Who did receive the girl at the destination? Correct answer, the girl's aunt would receive her at the destination. What does the narrator think about the ants? The narrator thinks that ants are usually formidable creatures. Where was the narrator going? Correct answer, the narrator was going to Dehara and then to Missouri. What according to the narrator is the best time to visit the hills? Correct answer, October is the best time to visit the hills. Why October is the best time in the hills? Correct answer, October is the best time in the hills because the hills are covered with wild dahlias, the sun is delicious and the roads are quiet. How can one enjoy the nights in the hills? Correct answer, one can enjoy the nights by sitting in front of a long fire and drink a little brandy. Why did the narrator wonder that the girl might think him a romantic fool? Correct answer, the narrator wondered that the girl might think him a romantic fool because she was silent when the narrator was describing the loveliness of the hills of Missouri. Then I made a mistake. What mistake did the speaker make? Correct answer, the speaker made a mistake by asking the girl what it was like outside. Why did the narrator face the window? Correct answer, the narrator faced the window to make a pretense of studying the landscape. প্রিয় বন্ধুরা, আজকের এই পর্যন্ত। তোমরা এই প্রশ্নগুলো প্র্যাকটিস করো। ভিডিওটি ভালো লাগলে একটি লাইক করো, আর যারা এখনো পর্যন্ত আমাদের চ্যানেলটিকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করনি, প্লিজ সাবস্ক্রাইব করে পাশে থাকা বেল আইকনটির অল নোটিফিকেশন বাটনটি প্রেস করে রাখো।